What makes us confident iron salt aerosol will work at scale? We can't be 100% sure, but we're cautiously optimistic. Firstly, the evidence from the past, from ice cores, shows that the really cold glacial periods of the past 500,000 years tended to be rather dusty, with very fine lowest dust being blown all over the world. Lowest dust is so fine it's sometimes called glacial flour, glacial because it's produced by glaciers grinding the bedrock beneath them as they move slowly along. The ice cores show that these periods, when the ice was a mile high above places like Montreal, had not just low CO2, but also lower than pre-industrial methane concentration. Second clue is that iron's photocatalytic effect is established science. We learnt recently that it's iron photocatalysis that produces the pleasant smell laundry has that's just been freshly dried in the sun. Lastly, today's low levels of dust over most of the ocean means the average concentration of chlorine radicals in the sea air is measured in parts per trillion. And this is because even where there is dust, natural ISA takes days to form with its chemical reaction between iron and airborne HCl and then soon gets rained out, whereas artificial ISA will be good to go as soon as it's emitted into the air and can be applied to vast areas of remote sunny ocean that isn't normally reached by airborne dust.